C.V. Anand Bose, the governor of West Bengal, on Sunday said that his resignation from the post was a conscious decision and maintained that the reasons behind it would remain confidential for the time being. Speaking to reporters at the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport in Kolkata, Bose stated that he would return to the state to cast his vote in the upcoming elections. Bose, who's originally from Kerala, had shifted his voting base to West Bengal just a week before submitting his resignation. Explaining his decision, Bose said, "I took a conscious decision to put in my papers, the reasons of which will remain confidential till the right time arrives." He further added, "The rules of this game include knowing when it ends." When asked about the concerns reportedly expressed by Draupadi Murmu, the President of India, regarding alleged protocol violations and issues related to tribal deprivation in the state, the outgoing governor chose not to elaborate. Responding briefly to the question, Bose said, "The President is very experienced, balanced, and an extremely dignified person." He declined to comment further on the matter.